Hey traders, are you ready to explore a powerful tool for a smarter trading? So today we are going to trade using Alligator Indicator, and I'm not going to blindly to follow its signals because I'm going to combine its signals with technical analysis. That means we will carefully assess market trends, we will watch for support and resistance levels, analyze candlesticks patterns. This video going to be the best introduction for you to figure out how this indicator works. And today I'm going to have $113 on my deposit. My plan today to make around $8,000 or $9,000. Stay with me until the end if you want to know how this strategy is going to perform, and maybe you will want to try it on your own. So guys, let's get started. Now I'm going to tell you more about Alligator Indicator. So guys, let's get started and we will connect the indicator we need. So to do this, I go to the Tools tab, and at the bottom of the screen and on the left I select the Alligator Indicator we need. I immediately make all the slides thicker and immediately make everything different colors for a better display on the chart. As you can see, this indicator has appeared on the screen and it consists of green sliding, yellow and red. When I see an intersection like this, when the green line goes down, we see that at the same time the price starts to move down. That is, in such situation we could open a deal to go down. Guys, the price showed a good decrease, and conversely, when the moving average crosses as here, the green line of the indicator went up. As you can see, the price is starting to move up and it is showing good growth. So after such an intersection, you can open a deal up. Also, if we consider the situation with consolidation, when the price doesn't move significantly, we will see that the sliding ones are too close to each other and often intersect with each other. That is, in such situation, guys, it is difficult to choose a good entry point. Therefore, we'll try to look for more explicit price movement and more explicit indicator signals. So these are the main points that we will need today in our trading, and I suggest that we finally start and find the first entry point. So, dear traders, as you can see on the chart, we have a green impulsive candle forming and the green moving average goes up. So we will open a deal up here because the indicator indicates that the price has a good potential for growth. We also have a support level below. Earlier the price rebounded up, and after touching it again, it also began to move up. At the same time, the main price lows on the chart are rising, and we see that the price is moving up more impulsively. All these points indicate that the price has a potential for growth, and I think that price will move up in the near future. Guys, let's see how this deal will close. Alright guys, this is our first deal and it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price has made an upward momentum and we got profit here. So that's not bad. Let's continue, guys. So as you can see here, the price moving in a downtrend, and after rolling back up, it starts moving down. At the same time, the green sliding line on the indicator went down. That's why we are opening a deal to go down. As you can see, the price moves downwards more impulsively and mainly with red candlesticks. And the main price highs on the chart are decreasing. In other words, all this indicate that the price has a good downward potential, and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down the general downtrend. Guys, let's see how this deal will close. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. Nice. The price kept pushing down and this trade ended in profit, guys. The indicator really did its job here, and let's keep the momentum going, and next we'll find the next situation. Here from the resistance level, the price makes a rollback down, so I suggest opening a deal to go down since we have a crossing of the moving and the green goes down. At the same time, there's still room for the previous price low, and earlier the price has already made a rollback down from this level. Also now we have seen a reaction here, therefore I think that it is more likely that the price will move down in the near future. On such a rollback, guys, we will try to make money here, and so let's wait for the end of our deal. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Great result so far. The price showed a small drop, just as we anticipated, and this trade closed in profit. Guys, finishing below the entry point. So let's continue, guys. Here the price has made a reversal from the resistance level, and that's just opening a deal down since the green line of the indicator has gone down. At the same time, guys, we see that we still have room to reach the minimum point on the chart. At the same time, the general trend in the market is downward, and the price also made a reversal earlier from this level. We have also now seen a red impulsive candle in the zone, so all these points indicate that the price has a good downward potential, and I think that 2 minutes in this case will be totally enough for us, guys. So let's wait for the end of our deal. Traders, it's not bad at all. As you can see, our deal closed below the entry point, and that's how we made money here. We have the first $1,000 on deposit, and as you can see, we have already managed to increase our initial deposit by almost 10 times. This is an amazing result. So as you can see, that Alligator Indicator in combination with technical analysis works so well, and so let's continue, guys. So, as you can see here, the price showed an increase, but then it made a reversal and began to move down. Therefore, we are opening a deal down as there was a crossing of the moving averages earlier. At the same time, we still have a long distance to reach the support level. At the same time, as you can see, the general trend in the market is downward. And after bouncing up from the support level, the price got into some kind of consolidation and then began to move down. All this indicated the price has a great downward potential. Guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, guys, that's great. As you can see, the price is showing a decrease, and this deal brought us profit here. So as you can see, the indicator was right again in this situation. Well, guys, it's time to continue our trading. Alright, as you can see here, the price is moving downwards with an impulse, and here I'm going to open a deal down as the green moving average goes down. At the same time, we still have room to reach the support level, and earlier, as you can see, the price made a reversal in this area and began to move down. That is, all this makes it clear to us that the price has a good downward potential, and I think that the price will move down and approach the marked level. Okay, let's see how this deal will close, guys. So, as you can see, our deal closed below the entry point, and thus, guys, we got profit. So, let's continue, guys, and we'll find another session in the market. So here we have a support level, and the price made a rebound upwards from this level while the green line of the indicator went upwards. Therefore, I suggest opening a deal up since we still have space before the previous price high. And earlier, as you can see, guys, the price made a good rebound from the support level. And now, after this touch, there are impulsive green candles on the chart. So, this means that the price has a good potential for growth. I think that 2 minutes in this situation will be totally enough for us. So, my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, that's great. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and showed a good and steady growth. Thus, we already have more than $4,000 on our deposit, and as you can see, we are confidently approaching our trading goal. So guys, let's continue. Next, the price made a downward pullback, so I suggest opening a deal up as we still have a significant distance to cover before reaching the previous price high. At the same time, As you can see, the green moving is still located on top. Also, the price is now moving above the previous price high. So all these points indicate that the price has a good potential for growth. And let's just watch the chart and see how this deal will close. Guys, that's great. As you can see, the price continued to move up and we got the profit here. So let's continue and we'll find the next entry point. As you can see further, the price again made a roll back down and that's just opening a deal up. So we still have space to the previous price high. And at the same time, the price moves up more impulsively and predominantly with green candles. Also, the green line of the indicator is still on top. All of this indicates that the price still has potential for growth. Guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay, as you can see, the price started to make a roll back down and thus our position here was knocked out. Okay, this deal was unprofitable, sadly, but there is nothing to worry about, guys. We still have some funds on our deposit. As you can see that mostly our deals today were successful, so it's okay, it happens, just let's continue. Here we have a resistance level and the price after touching this level began to move down. So let's open a deal to go down since the green line of the indicator is pointing downward and the price has already bounced off this level several times. This suggests that the downward movement is likely to continue. At the same time, it has now started to move down more impulsively. So all this indicates that the price has a good potential to go down. I think that in the near future, the price will still make a bounce down. And let's just watch the chart and see how this deal will close, guys. Perfect. Okay, as you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and it showed a good decrease. Thus, this deal brought us profit here. And we have also managed to almost completely cover the loss from our previous unprofitable deal. Guys, it's okay, it happens. Yes, sometimes you feel sad. It's okay, just don't forget to leave some funds on deposit. This is so crucial. So guys, it's time to continue. We are almost near our goal. Okay guys, this is our last deal, the price showing a good increase. Therefore, we are going to open a deal to go up as there's still a long distance to the resistance level and we can see a large number of green candles on the chart. Additionally, the indicator indicates that the price has a good potential for growth. So let's take a look at how our deal will close. One more successful deal, guys, and actually it's our last one because guys, first of all, as you can see that the price showing good growth and that's how we got profit here. Also, indicator helped us here to get the profit, guys, and as you can see, we already have more than $9,000 on deposit. I think it's great because even we had a loss, we still were able to make it. So guys, this is the end of our trading session. So that wraps up today's trading session using Alligator Indicator. As you can see, if you will combine this indicator to technical analysis, it will work so good. I hope that this video made it clear to you how to use Alligator Indicator. Guys, you really should try this on your own. Turn on this indicator, then try to find similar situations which we had today and just trade on them. Guys, with the right experience, patience, and discipline, you will definitely succeed. Also, I want to invite you into my closed group where I share my trading signals for free. Guys, these are my trading signals and you can get them. Just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. All the essential links will be down below. So guys, if you want to stick to my trading videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Have you ever tried this indicator or not? And also, of course, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video so I can see that this video was very useful for you. See you in the next session, and as always, guys, I wish you to have profitable trading.